Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the A minor arpeggio. That's right, I'm going to take you through how to play the A minor arpeggio with both hands, left and right, with all the correct fingerings, hands together and separately, 1 and 2 octaves. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you so much for watching this video, and would you please consider helping my channel grow by giving me thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So first off, we want to know that A minor is the relative minor of C major. And what that means to us is that C major has no sharps and flats, and the same is true for A minor. There are no sharps or flats. So let's go ahead and get started with the right hand. The right hand, we're going to start with our thumb on A. We're going to put our 2 on C, and our third finger is going to play the E. We are not going to use our 4th finger at all in this arpeggio. The right hand uses 1, 2, 3, and 5. Here's what 1 octave looks like. Let's do the letters first. A, C, E, A, E, C, A. Those finger numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1. If we want to make this 2 octaves, the only difference that we're going to do is when we get to the A here, instead of using our pinky, we're going to take our thumb and tuck it under. Make sure that you don't pop out your elbow, and then you'll bring the rest of your hand up into place. C, E, A, like that. Let me do that again going up. I'll say the letters. A, C, E. Tuck your thumb to A, C, E, A, and then we just do all of that the exact same thing in reverse. A, E, C, A, E, C, A. That's 2 octaves. The fingers are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. All right, that takes care of the right hand. Let's check out the left hand. We're not going to use our 3rd finger. We will use the 5, 4, 2, and 1 to play the arpeggio. This is what 1 octave looks like. I'm going to just go through the finger numbers since the letters are the same. The left hand is 5, 4, 2, 1. And to go down, that's 1, 2, 4, 5. That's 1 octave. Now, if we want to make this 2 octaves, what we're going to do when we get up here to the thumb, we're going to take our 4th finger and swing it over. It's a big stretch. You want to make sure that your elbow doesn't come out and that your wrist and arm are not moving when you do this. Let me show you that again. You're going to try to make the motion happen with mostly your thumb and your fingers stretching, so that thumb is really coming across your hand like this as much as possible. 5, 4, 2, 1. Big stretch with just your fingers. 4, 2, 1. On the way back down, we do the same thing, just opposite. 1, 2, 4. Big tuck with a thumb. Try again. Try not to use your wrist and arm too much. 1, 2, 4, 5. If you find it difficult right now to make that motion happen, don't worry. With practice, your fingers are going to get more flexible, and you're going to be able to, we want to have our thumbs being able to reach all the way across our palm like that. Right now, maybe you can only get your thumb that far, but that's one of the things that arpeggios do, is they help you strengthen and make your hands more flexible so that you can reach like that. That's where we want the motion in the arpeggio to happen, is here, not with our elbows. Okay, let me show you that left hand 2 octave one more time, a little smoother. 5, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5. All right, that's 1 and 2 octaves with both hands. So let's talk about how we put this together. So the big problem with this is that our hands are not using the same finger. That's what's going to cause the most difficulty. Our left hand is using our 4th finger and not our 3rd finger, but our right hand is using our 3rd finger and not our 4th finger. So making our hands learn that particular fingering is what makes this hard. So there is a trick that you can use that I think is super helpful. If you have some little stickers like this around your house, one trick that I find is really helpful is just go ahead and take one of those stickers, and you're going to place it on the finger you're going to not use. So my left hand, I'm going to not use my 3rd finger, so I'm going to put a sticker there. You could also maybe do nail polish or even a little marker or something on this finger just to indicate that's the finger we're trying not to use. And then on the other hand, we're going to put it on the 4th finger, because that's the finger we're trying not to use here. Sometimes this can be very helpful when you're trying to get to the feeling, to help yourself remember not to use the wrong finger, because the sooner you do that, the quicker muscle memory will set in. So let me show you what that looks like hands together. So again, we're not using this finger. We're not using this finger. I'm going to just go through letters. 1 octave, A minor arpeggio. A, C, E, A, Now to make that 2 octaves, what we're going to do when we get to the top of the 1 octave, we're going to have both our thumbs on this A like this. A, E, A. We're putting both our thumbs on this A. Then our left hand 4 is going to swing over to that C, E, A. I'll show you that again. A, E, A. Both your thumbs, swing your 4, E, A. And to go down, we're just doing that in reverse. A, E, C, A, E, C, A. That is the A minor 1 and 2 octaves arpeggio. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel and feel free to share this video with friends and families. And I will see you in the next video real soon. Bye-bye.